Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, guys, I took Lily for a walk this morning. I promise I did. And I left my phone sitting here on the table. So I got over there to record her and couldn't do it. I'm sorry. We'll have to give you a little bit of Lily a little bit later. But the good news is we got 2 motorcycles up first thing here in the morning. So Chip and Joey are both doing one each. And looks like other than that, it's a slow morning. Hopefully some more will come in. And if it stays slow, you never know. Maybe we'll do another demo ride today.
Yo, dude, he's a Brazilian kid.
Yeah.
And he's running like maybe third place every Moto America race.
No.
Yeah, you gotta follow that guy.
Welcome to Laconia Motorcycle Week.
Hi guys, for all of you FXR lovers, there's one for you. I think it's a 1983. And well guys, as you can see, there's people here. Not a good sales day yet. I mean, we've got work, but nothing to brag about. The weather is absolutely beautiful. It's nice and breezy today. It's warm, but not hot. Just really, really nice. Hopefully the day will improve. If it stays this slow, I may have to go do another demo ride.
Settings for that. But the biggest thing.
me. Nice weather today.
Nope, ain't doing it.
It's about 5:30 in the evening, and yeah, sales still never got really good. We got a few more bikes in. It's kind of been on par. It's like every day has been, you know, we get a little bit here, but not enough to really fill the day. We're a lot more sitting around than actually working on motorcycles. Once again today, we had a lot of subscribers come by, and we did work on some subscribers' bikes. So yeah, I mean, what you guys are doing is great. It's still definitely helping, and I really, really appreciate it. We'd probably be in really sad shape without you. We even have one couple that brought us a motorcycle today, and we did a service on it, and they're going to come back tomorrow with their pickup truck and have us service that. Of course, we can't get it into the site. We're going to do it out there in the parking lot somewhere, and I guess we're going to get some oil for her bike as well. All right, guys, it is about 10 minutes premature. It's not quite 6 o'clock yet, but as you can see, pretty much a ghost town. The people that are still in the parking lot have already been here for a while. No new people walking around. So I think we're going to call it quits. We're going to turn that off for the moment and talk really loud so we don't get copyright infringements because of the music in the background. And I think we're going to close it up and go out to dinner tonight. So this short show, we're actually only using about 2.5 gallons a day, 2.3 or so. Like I said, I started it a little bit late today and yesterday because there was nothing going on in the morning. And yeah, we shut it off a couple minutes early. But so at least it's saving us a little bit of money by not having to run it so much. And of course, I wish cheap fuel was still around, but it is what it is. All right, guys, that fast, back at the track again. Got the Road King put back in its dock, and it's only about 10 after 6, but as you can see, ghost town, nothing going on here. We did get one more bike in just before I went up to get fuel, and looks like Chip is just finishing that one up. And then I think we're gonna call this one done. Well, guys, I just checked the subscriber count and we were up to 6,883. We're on our way there. We just need a little bit more. We're at the 7,000 mark. And then, of course, we need 3,000 to get that 10,000 so we can give away that set of love jug. So, guys, please remember to subscribe. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. Have them share it. You know, right now, if you actually Google Bike Week stuff, we're a pretty hot topic at the moment. A lot of people coming by to say hi, and I just think it's great. We're growing pretty quick, and I'm having a lot of fun with this. But remember, we want to do that 10,000 subscriber giveaway with that free set of love jugs when we get there. And then by the end of this week, we're also going to be giving away that drone. Also, remember, guys, if this is the first time you're seeing it, do not fall for the bait of someone in there that looks like my little logo and everything, saying that you've won a prize. If you win a prize, I will let you know that you won the prize. We will announce it on the channel. I'm not going to send you a text message or a message. Do not click on it. Don't take the bait. But other than that, I don't think there's going to be anything else to share with you guys tonight. So we're going to go out to dinner. We've got a friend visiting, and I don't think anything, you know, YouTube related is going to pop up. So we're going to say goodbye at this point. And once again, we thank you guys for watching. And until the next time we see you, keep those engines running. So guys, please remember to subscribe. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. Blah, blah, blah.